Assalamu alaikum. I am Akil Bukhari and you're watching MLT Pakistan. Today my topic is urine complete examination test in laboratory. There are three methods of urine examination: physical examination, chemical examination, and microscopic examination. Physical examination. In physical examination, we examine color, odor, appearance, color. Normal color of urine is light yellow due to the presence of pigment urochrome and erythropoietin and porphyrin. Other color of urine like yellow, brown, red, black due to the presence of medication, foods, dyes and diseases. Odor. Normal odor of urine is slightly aromatic. In the presence of acetone, odor become fruity. Appearance. Freshly avoided urine is clean. Urine become hazy, turbid, cloudy due to the presence of amorphous phosphate, calcium oxalate, pus and protein. Chemical examination: pH, specific gravity, protein, sugar, ketone, blood, bilirubin, urobilinogen glycoside. pH of normal urine is 7.0 and specific gravity is between 1.010 to 1.020. Microscopic examination of urine: take a test tube, fill with urine and centrifuge for 1 or 2 minutes at low speed 3400 rpm. Discard the supernatant and mix the deposit well and take a small drop of this deposit on clean glass slide and examine under microscope. We see pus cell, epithelial cell, RBCs, crystal and cast. WBCs. Normal male urine has no WBCs. Female urine certain few WBCs. If numerous WBCs are present, indicate that UTI infection. RBCs. Male urine has no RBCs and female urine has few RBCs during menstrual cycle or vaginal contamination. If numerous RBCs present, indicate that urinary tract infection. Epithelial. Normal urine has 105 epithelial. Crystal. Calcium oxalate, amorphous phosphate, triple phosphate, cysteine are seen. Cast. Fatty acid, WBCs, RBCs, epithelial, granular cast, hyaline cast are seen. Thank you so much for watching my video.